In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable private Wi-Fi address on Android. So if you want to enable the private Wi-Fi address, it is actually very simple. So what you have to do is simply open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Initially, you'll be to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is simply find the option for network and internet and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the network and internet interface. So what you have to do is tap on this option internet. Now you'll be able to see various Wi-Fi connections over here. Simply tap on the gear icon right next to the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the network details over here. What you have to do is simply find this option for privacy, or you might also be able to find the option for MAC address. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see two options over here. Use randomized MAC, use device MAC. So if you want your Wi-Fi address to be private, tap on this option, use randomized MAC. Now after you do that, you can see over here randomized MAC will be enabled. That means now your Wi-Fi address is private. So that is how you enable private Wi-Fi address on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.